Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Telegram to host your entire online course. Yes, lessons, community, even quizzes, all in one streamlined space. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a professional course hub that's private, interactive, and super easy for your students to access without needing fancy learning platforms or extra costs. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up the backbone of your course, and this means creating two spaces in Telegram, a content channel and a discussion group. Think of the channel as your virtual classroom. It's where all your lessons and resources live. The group, on the other hand, is your student lounge, the place for questions, discussion, and peer interaction. Let's start with the content channel. Open Telegram and create a new channel. Make sure it's set to private for maximum control over who joins. Why a channel, not a simple group? Well, because a channel lets you broadcast your lessons to unlimited students without worrying about off-topic chats filling up the feed. It's like having a focused bulletin board where only you or your fellow instructors can post, and students can just scroll through the material distraction-free. Plus, member identities are hidden, so privacy is baked in by default. When uploading your course materials, try to follow the sequence of your curriculum, just like flipping through a well-organized textbook. You can upload videos, PDFs, presentations, and even audio files right in the channel. And here's a trick: use Telegram's text formatting options, bold, italics, headings, to lay out your lessons so they're easy to scan. A clear structure here saves your students a ton of confusion later on. Don't forget to pin your welcome message or your course syllabus to the top of your channel. That way, every new student can immediately find out what to expect and where to go next, without having to scroll up and down. And a quick note, if you want students to be able to download your videos or copy your text, make sure to turn off the Restrict Saving Content option in the channel settings. This little switch makes a big difference in accessibility. Next, let's bring in some community energy with a discussion group. Here, students can chat, ask questions, and you can jump in to clarify points. To set this up, create a group and then link it to your channel. Just go into your channel settings, tap Edit, then Discussion, and select your group. What's cool here is that every new lesson you post in your channel automatically generates a comment thread in the group, so students can discuss each module right under the related content. No more messy, scattered questions, they stay perfectly organized. Now that your course structure is solid, let's talk about content delivery. Telegram is fantastic for multimedia, video lectures. No problem, you can upload really high-quality files, up to 4 GB each. Got slides, spreadsheets, or readings? Drop them in as native files and your students can download them with a tap. To help everyone find exactly what they need, use clear hashtags in your posts, like Module 1 or Final Project, so everything is searchable in seconds. Pin important announcements or resource links to the top of your channel to keep them always visible. Ready to take things to the next level? This is where Telegram bots come into play. With bots like InviteMember or CryptoBot, you can automate who gets access. Students pay through the bot and they're granted instant permission to your channel and group. No manual link sharing, no headaches. Want to keep students engaged and check their understanding? Use something like QuizBot to send out interactive multiple-choice quizzes, timed instant feedback, the works. So in action, hear what your workflow looks like. A student pays via your bot or an external link, joins your private channel, gets access to the group, consumes your lessons, participates in group Q&A, and takes quizzes or surveys, all directly inside Telegram, totally seamless. And that's the magic. With just a bit of setup, Telegram transforms into a powerful, accessible, and immediate platform for running your online course. No extra costs or complicated systems required. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have questions about setting things up or want tips on maximizing engagement, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.